Make the arms heavy.
But if you say this gives me a better sense of relaxation, it will decrease it. So just sense it, don't say anything. Okay. The sensation in a lot of poses like that, like Viparita Karani particularly, Shavasana for sure, is that the skin feels like it is moving from the middle of the forehead to the side and from the top of the forehead down towards the cheekbones. So with your own hands you can do that. Put your hands on the forehead, both hands. Use your fingers with this sense of touch to first gently and then slowly more and more pull the skin out towards the side and also drop the skin towards the cheekbones. It gives a better sense of relaxation because the brain begins to interfere less and less. But if you say this gives me a better sense of relaxation, it will decrease it. So just sense it, don't say anything. Okay. So you will place the block an inch or two away from the wall. The sense you want to have in Viparita Karani is that your sit bone is dropping between the wall and the block towards the floor.
Sit off the mat and lie down as close to, you can always push away from the wall. Once you're in the position, you can't push towards the wall unless somebody pushes you. Okay? So sit close to the wall, lie down, bring your shoulders in the middle of the mat. Now, to walk your feet up, lift the pelvis up. Okay? Now put the blocks under you.
If you are using the bolsters, the same thing applies. Keep the bolster a little away from the wall. Lower the pelvis on it and stretch the leg up. We begin like this.
Today, what I'd like you to do in light of what we just explained, with your hands, close your eyes, with your hands, put the hands on the forehead as you did when you're sitting up. Attempt to take the skin away from the center and also try to take the skin towards the floor. Okay? A lot of pressure is not necessary. Certain heaviness is necessary, just enough to give you a better sense. Now, if you have a particular headache or anything like that, then you can use more or less pressure. Change the pressure, change the way you are touching.